Still using the old navigation buttons or 3 buttons navigation bar on your Vivo phone? You can free up more screen space and enjoy a smoother navigation experience by switching to full screen gestures. In this video, I'll show you how to enable and customize full screen gestures on the Vivo X300 Ultra, X300 Pro, X300, and X300 FE. Let's get started. Open the Settings app, scroll down and tap System Management. Tap on System Navigation or Navigation, depending on your software version. This is where you can choose how you navigate your phone. You'll see 2 navigation options: full screen gestures, navigation keys, or navigation buttons. Simply select full screen gestures. The navigation buttons will disappear, giving you more screen space instantly. You can see horizontal indicator bar in the bottom middle. If you don't use it, toggle on Hide Indicator Bar. Once full screen gestures are enabled, here's how they work. Swipe up from the bottom to go to the home screen. Swipe up and hold to open recent apps. Swipe inward from the left or right edge to go back. You can customize gesture settings on your Vivo phone, like swipe horizontally to switch between apps, swipe to bring up Digital Assistant, or long press on the bottom bar to use circle to search in full screen gesture. If you'd also like to customize your lock screen, always on display, app icons, or battery style, we've already created dedicated tutorials for those. Check the links in the description, or tap the I button to watch them. And that's how you can enable full screen gestures on your Vivo X300 series and latest Vivo phone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.